Hey, what up, YouTube? How you live? How you living? Alright, let's get this thing moving. Check this out. I got two stocks that are set to explode in 2021. The first stock is a biotech company with enormous growth potential. The second stock is a medical device company. Each one of these stocks are roughly $3 per share. Now, I don't have a lot, but I got $3. So if you got $3 and a few minutes to stick around to find out the ticker symbols of these two stocks that are set to explode, I'll see you on the other side. It's your boy the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. As always, if this is the first time that you're coming by this channel, first of all, I want to thank you for stopping by and taking the time. Secondly, I want to ask you to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because we do this every week. Let's get right into it. The first stock that is set to explode in 2021 goes by the name of Avalon Therapeutics Incorporated. Now I'm going to read a little bit about their company profile. It says that Avalon Therapeutics, a vertically integrated medical device company, focuses on developing and commercializing medical devices to treat people with obesity. The company offers the Avalon balloon system, designed to provide weight loss in patients with obesity. Its Avalon balloon system comprises of a swallowable capsule that contains an inflatable balloon attached to a microcatheter. The Avalon navigation system console, which is a combination of hardware and software used to track and display the location of the balloon during placement. The Avalon Touch Inflation Dispenser, which is semi-automated, is a handheld inflation device used to inflate the balloon once it is placed inside of the body, and is also filled with a mixture of gas to help it to activate. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not putting no inflatable balloons in my stomach, but I will put an inflatable balloon device company in my portfolio for sure, for sure. So we're gonna go to the chart and see what's what with Avalon. First thing I noticed right off the bat, in January, actually January the 20th, a huge influx of volume came into Avalon. 445 million shares were bought on January the 20th. Now keep in mind, the average volume of shares bought and or sold on any given day in Avalon is 2.3 million. But on January the 20th, they had 445 million shares bought. Now what that tells me, when big money, hedge funds and institutions come into a stock with that kind of force, that kind of power, it's not a one and done type thing. When they come in with that much money and that much power, they coming back. Trust that. So on that particular day, the stock opened at around $3.20 per share, and it ended up closing at $8.35 per share. Since then, just like the overall market has been going through a lot of volatility, so has Avalon Therapeutics. Price has basically been trending lower since that big influx of volume, and right around the price of $2 a share, it found support, and it's been inching higher ever since. And looking at the size of these candles right here on this date, what is that, on May the 18th, the size of that candle breaking off of that support level tells me that this stock is going up. It's going higher. As of Friday, May 21st, just this past Friday, we had volume that came in at 38.5 million shares bought and or sold. 38.5 million is way more than 2.27 million. That's the average. So that lets me know that big money, the hedge funds are back, and they are trying to push this share price higher. Right now, Avalon Therapeutics is trading at $3.42 per share, but this is poised to go higher. This is set to explode in the very, and I do mean very near future, but you need a little bit of patience. The reason I say you need patience is because the stock went up over 30% on Friday. Generally, not all the time, but generally when that happens, there's normally a pullback of some sort. So I would recommend to you guys to have a little patience, give this stock a chance to settle and to pull back and come to you right around $3 a share at that support level, near this $3 a share mark. If you can get it anywhere around $3, $3.10, or if you're lucky a little bit below $3, load the boat, because this one is gonna explode. You heard it here first. So right now, this is actually a good thing, because by the time this video drops on Monday, when this video drops, who knows, Avalon might be a little cheaper. So I would wait for a pullback around the price of $3.10 to $3, or if you're lucky under $3, let it settle in, come back to you right around $3 a share. I told you I don't have a lot, but I got $3. So if you got $3, I will grab hold of Avalon Therapeutics. Now the second stock that's set to explode goes by the name of Cyclarion Therapeutics Incorporated. Ticker symbol is CYCN, coming in at a price of $3.13 per share. Now the description says for Cyclarion Therapeutics Incorporated, it's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company engaging in discovering, development, and commercialization of medicines for serious central nervous system diseases. Now I'm looking at my notes for Cyclarion. This is a biotech company that is in phase 2 trials. Normally after phase 2 trials are successful, they graduate from phase 2 and they move on to phase 3. And if phase 3 is successful and passed by the FDA, normally stocks that are low price like this, with good volume and good fundamentals and a good product or medication, they normally tend to explode higher. Now this is one of the biotechs that's, according to this article, it says one of the best penny stocks to buy right now is Cyclarion Therapeutics. One of the best penny stocks to buy right now. And this article says Cyclarion is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company working on developing compounds to treat cognitive dysfunctions. Now, from what I understand, they have a lot of insider buying that's taking place. So anytime the CEO, whose name is Peter Hecht, he announced that he's buying shares of Cyclarion Therapeutics. And from what this article says, he made an announcement that he's added over $1.7 million worth of shares to his portfolio. Now this is the CEO, one of the head guys at the company, has put up $1.7 million worth of shares. Now when an insider buys shares, is always exciting for the investors, because that shows that the people who are working in high positions in the company, they actually have confidence in buying shares of the company. So if the CEO is putting $1.7 million worth of shares on the line, I think it's a good idea for you to keep this on your watch list. So we're going to go to a Z chart. Looking at Cyclarion Therapeutics, ticker symbol CYCN, coming in at a price of $3.13. Now, the average volume of shares bought and sold are right around 528,000 shares bought and or sold per day. But on Friday, the shares bought and sold reached over 2.2 million shares bought and sold of Cyclarion Therapeutics. So that's massive buying that took place. A lot of it by the CEO. So the price is right at $3.13. So my advice to you, being that this is fairly new in this uptrend, I would wait for a pullback if you can, right around a $3 level. That's two stocks, each one of these stocks set to explode. I'm telling you, wait until you can get this one just like the last one, right around $3 or less per share, because once this stock price breaks above and closes above $3.45 per share on more than average volume, which I expect in the next week or two, this is going higher. So there you have it. That is the video for the day, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I got two bangers that deserve your immediate attention. These two stocks are set to explode in the very near future. First stock goes by the name of Avalon Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol OBLN, coming in at a price of $3.42. Is set to explode and take off like a rocket. Second stock set to explode goes by the name of Cyclarion Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol CYCN, coming in at a price of $3.13 per share. That is the video. I got my $3. If you got $3, grab it, put it together. $3, 3 ones, or you can use quarters, dimes, nickels, or pennies. As long as you got $3, grab yourself some shares of these two companies that are set to explode. I'm the one known as the Stock Dude, and I will holler at you in the next video. Peace.